WordPress developers are a dime a dozen. I have about 1,300 connections on LinkedIn that are WordPress developers. And I'm not knocking any of you if you're watching this, but they use developer as a very loose term. I don't necessarily think working in Elementor or just with, you know, working with third-party themes and plugins and then building a website like that is considered, you know, a WordPress developer. At least it wasn't back when I was in it. If you couldn't, you know, program the theme yourself, then you were basically a WordPress user, because that's the whole point of WordPress, right? So anybody could just jump in and make it. Here's the Disney, at least the digital media portion of the business's employment flow. You get recruited. Disney wants you to work for them. It's exciting. It's a big name. And their hourly rate is fine. You are now a contractor for Disney. Next, you have been working there now. Right about the 6 to 7 month period, you realize there's a ticking clock. While you might have known this ahead of time, you get reminded that Disney can only keep you as a contractor for a maximum of 18 months. Their first rank is for 1 year. Once you get close to your 1 year mark, your manager, they have to make a case for extending your contract. Once you get to your 18-month mark, Disney has to make a choice. Hire you, that's a full-time employee, or bye. You can imagine how nerve-wracking that is. First off, you have your ID card. You're a Disney employee. Picture on it has the Disney logo. You have a Disney email at disney.com. And you can go into the Disney office. That badge gets you into other places too, other campuses. When your badge gets upgraded to a full-time cast member, they get you a little badge, like the Disney cast members. When you go full-time, you get way more perks. So many perks. You get discounts in all the Disney stores. You get discounts on tickets. You get free tickets. You get so much. The benefits of working for Disney full-time really allow them to underpay their staff a little bit, you know, because you're making it up in other ways. And during my tenure, I got 2 offers for full-time employment. You know, when they told me about the first one, I was pretty like confident. I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, they're not gonna get rid of me. My boss loves me. I put out good work. That fell through. And then they told me about another one. Long story short, I didn't get hired on either of the projects. You want to hear a story about a senior engineer that shouldn't be? Back when I was still getting like contracting gigs, I started working for this real estate company. They needed a real WordPress programmer. The person that I was kind of relieving the duties of, he wasn't like getting fired or anything. They wanted him to work on other things. He was just like this generic programmer. They considered him a senior because he's the only guy that was there, and he's been there for so long. He was just given a new CMS to work on, and he just did what he knew. And he did the craziest hard-coded PHP programming, completely ignored WordPress functions, did like SQL queries directly. He should not have been left alone with the keys. I had to completely work around landmines constantly, and performance sucks, memory leaks, and super unsecure code. It's exactly the same, no difference between making a game in WordPress and Godot. Oh really? I hope you're not being sarcastic, because it does not play well over Messenger, because I do that a lot when I'm watching other people's streams. I'm like being super sarcastic and they're like, oh, huh, really? Yeah, exactly. We need like a global. Here, we'll do something like this. I think this will help us. It'll only be you and me because we're on this talking right now, but it'll be like this. It'll be like, so the tilde, that's the clue. Being sarcastic. It's like as if you're farting the words out. You know what I mean? Tilde. Wow, we're really even considering. You motherfucker. Oh wait, tilde. Ah, I get it. It was a joke. I like that. There we go. The tilde is the universal symbol of sarcasm in text now. You heard it here first. Aragon. Aragon. Okay, let's try it again. The joys of programming. Constant reloading. Troubleshooting errors. Fixing errors to make new errors. Who was it, Sisyphus? Just, rolling a big ass rock up a hill. Can never get it there. Go! Well, looky there. I can walk again. Left and right, at least. So something's up. Oh god, it's getting worse. What is going on? This is insane. I'd like to say I just know offhand why he's having a seizure. But... oh, that's why. Look at this idiot. I just solved it. I think that's it. I think we're good. I just wasn't touching the left style. I was doing the top style for both. Cause I'm smart. Have you ever met a smart person? It's like being smart with a little derp. We can all be smart, you know? At sometimes. Sometimes I'm smart, I like to think. That might just be the smirk talking though. I might never be smart. So I guess I'll never know. I won't be the one to tell you if I'm smart or smirk. So you can read my mind. What 5-digit number am I thinking of? Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna do, what did I say? 54222. I'm just, I like to read your mind. I don't have access to your thoughts. Liar. Okay, so I have to make it fictional. Okay, this is working. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! Not even close. Try harder. Damn it. Think outside of yourself. Damn it. We got this. Hold on. You are not in a computer. Oh man, it's getting closer. I got the 5. You are getting closer. Well, I got 2 of them. 4 and 2 now. Maybe I'm not thinking hard enough. Well, got the 5 again. We're close. We're close. Once I figure out how to trick ChatGPT into reading my mind, I think a Nobel Prize is the least of what I'll get. You don't have to deep dive. No, that's what I'm saying. Stay shallow. Only learn what you need to learn. And that's how you're gonna be efficient with your learning. Just go for the basic stuff, you know. If somebody needs you to learn CSS to help them fix something, good. Now you know how to do that in CSS. And you're gonna, by proxy, by osmosis, absorb coding abilities because you're gonna be using it. On top of that, you build a nice little resume. Nothing gets you jobs more than a resume. Not a portfolio. People are looking for a resume. Companies that you worked for. You can tell them what you did for them, but you need your list of companies, your description of what you did for them, and then now you have more to your tech list. If you're looking to get into it for fun, start your own project like this. Like I'm building a website-based video game. This would teach you a lot about web programming, even though it's a video game, because I'm just using vanilla JavaScript and I'm using Sass styling. Like this is all just CSS, and then this is all just vanilla JavaScript. Very basic stuff to learn. Graham, the main character, invents personal wormhole transportation. It's attached to his watch. I mean, he created a holster, a watch holster for his device. And eventually it's embedded in his mechanical arm. I have an affinity for mechanical arms, as you can see. I always loved them. I think I got ruined by Full Metal Alchemist when I was a kid. And then every time I see mechanical arms, I'm just like, why not me? And I know that's stupid because I don't want to lose my arm yet. I've seen some pretty crazy prosthesis. We're not far off from me cutting my arm off, so you know, I like bod mod, so First try. Definitely first try. Tell me it's not going to work first try. Come on, chat. Come on, bots. Do it, bots. Tell me. It's not going to work first try. See? Too scared. We give estimates before we start working on a project, and they agree to it, and then you have a contract. That's your insurance policy. Because, you know, when people try to give you the runaround, ideally you'd have a due date in mind. You know, some sort of grace period after a project's completed. There's issues with that too. When's the project done? That's subjective. You know, is the project done when it's dev complete? Or is the project done when it's been QA'd by the client, the stakeholder, you know, and they approve it? Because that approval process can take a long time, and they can be nitpicking you left and right. Fix this. I don't like this. Change the font. Oh, no, I don't like that font. I need a new page. Shit, we forgot about this page. Can drag on for a long time. Yeah, I mean, I've said it before, but freelancing it's hard because the people that are hiring freelancers are not stable. Mom and pops, all these small businesses. Working remote, there's a lot more to it. It's not just about doing Zoom meetings. It's about time management. It's about managing procrastination. If you're one of those people that need an office to focus, like a quiet space, no dogs, no family, no deliveries, no whatever, then going remote was really hard on you. It takes a certain skill to be able to get work done and force yourself to get work done when you know you could do anything else. I have a TV in my office, a 3D printer in my office, a sword decanter full of really good quarter cask Lafroy scotch, right? So distractions is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, it takes a certain skill to be able to get your work done when you could literally be doing anything but working. You know, depending on your meeting schedule, if you don't have a lot of meetings, you could do anything you want during the day. And they wouldn't know as long as you get your work done. You know, how to get ahead in the programming world in this industry, and it's pretty interesting. It's very similar to many other industries where, like, the people that are getting a lot of work continue to get a lot of work, and the people that get spotty work always get overlooked. You know, there's some key factors. Being US based, that helps. Being on the younger side, having a good resume with a lot of names that maybe they've heard of, and then you're getting hit up by recruiters every day. You know, it's a good feeling. But in this market, in this industry,
hello everybody. Welcome.
I mean,
welcome to the stream.
I remember I used to just sit there online.
It is I,
just like apply. Hey, I'll do this.
Scott V. Adrian.
Stability is so
and it is me.
appreciated in this business.
Doop, boop, boop, pop. Hey, how's it going, everybody? Well, edging is my lifestyle. Gross name. I know you're not here, but I'll answer your question anyways. You said, is that World of Warship? And I don't know what that is. Answer is no, because I don't know what that is. But I am going to eat a piece of dark chocolate sea salt caramel Ghirardelli. So in case you're wondering what I'm eating right now. It's that. This. Let's see. See if you enjoy this. See if you can hear it. No. There was no crack. But it is dark chocolate with caramel and sea salt. That's pretty good. It was a good start. Hey. It's only 10:30. The hell am I doing on so early? I'll tell you what I'm doing on so early. Kids are back in school. So they're going to bed early. I mean, I can stream earlier and go to bed earlier. So that's good. Damn, that's good. India, I just ate some Dark chocolate filled with caramel. Why is this not working? Oh, because it's like busted. I got my wife and my kid some new HydroSpark bottles, but I took the old one and this is not working. You're eating ice cream filled with caramel? Damn. That's pretty cool, man. I'm proud of you. You know? You don't just get to eat ice cream late in the night like that. Unless you're a real cool person. Hey, I did some stuff off stream. I know I shouldn't have done that, but I did some programming off stream on the game just because sometimes I get like sparks of inspiration. I just have to do it. And I fixed I mentioned this in Discord, but I fixed the issue I was having where you can send multiple items. Mining off camera. I did some mining. And you can see here, I now have this function right here, save materialized item. I mean, it's the same function, the same REST call I was using before. But you see here, it's a post call. That changes some things. It allows me to send payloads like this as objects. So now I have the area, the items in an array, and then the user ID. And then I can receive them in the back end just using like data calls. So when you use a get call, it has to be in the URL. Post call, I can send just information. So going forward, when I make a new REST route, you can see here, this is the old REST route style using the XML HTTP request. And you'll see it's a get request. So going forward, if I'm just saving information, I can do it like this. You see this new method right here. I'm using fetch, which is, you know, a newer method in JavaScript to send API calls. I can still do fetch for the get calls, but you know, I just change it from post to get. But instead of having a body where I'm sending the arguments, I'll just put in the URL. Anyways, works really well. Saves everything. Now I just have to do something with it. Hey, Deck Dude. Indy, you made your website look a lot better. You just have to figure out how to make user creations. What do you mean? You mean like create users? Or let people make things? Let me see. Let's take a look at where you're at. Indy Bon. Oh yeah, looks good. I think you still need to set up your pages on your home page. What the hell is that? Hold on, let me clear my cache. It's possible you're cached. Yeah, there you go. It was just cached. Ooh, Discord server. Oh, it's just a link. I should have known. Excuse me. Should make that a new tab so people don't go off of your. Just do a target blank _ blank. Here we go. Create user. Ah, tricked me. And you still don't have an about page. Well, at least the home page looks good now. Cool, man. Unless this is cached too. Though I did clear my cache, so it shouldn't be. Yeah, okay. Cool, man. That's exciting. Got some work going. You can see here I'm not making a lot of progress on my audiobook. I have to listen to the rest of chapter 3. And then I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like 20 more chapters to go. I feel bad. Okay. So now that this is fixed, and I'm able to save materialized items to an array, I can make sure that they don't show up when I refresh. Oh no, that they do show up if they haven't been, you know, messed with. So, yeah. Still doesn't have the about yet. Just on your hrefs, if you want to make it in a new tab, do target underscore blank, like this. Target equals underscore blank. If you put out on the href of your links, it'll open up in a new tab. Yeah, like this. Target equals underscore blank. Yeah, just add that attribute to the href. I mean to the a tag. A doop a doop a doo. Doop a doop a doo. Alright. So I'm saving the materialized items. And you'll see it's a little bit different now. I just get the request body, I decode it, and then just check if there's an error or not. And then I can just get everything through data arrays like this, which is cool. And I'm just doing some sanitization on the array. Oh, I should probably only update. Oh no, I can't do that. Yeah, this makes sense. Great. You redid your local Rocket Club's homepage, which is owned by your robotics teacher. Nice. You sent it to him, and he said he's been talking about changing it for years. And this guy can work on it together. Nice. That's awesome, man. That's a great experience, you know? Good learning experience. Nothing better. Oh, wait a second. That's not good. Thank God I caught that. Trash can's full. Dump it. Alright, there's no way I'm sleeping. Unless I get some scotch. Your laptop battery's below the trash bag? What does that mean? That's weird. That's good. Yeah, if you ever wonder when I'm drinking scotch why I do that, you know, suck in air a little bit like that. Because it lets you really taste it. Just putting a little bit of oxygen over it. I mean, I know I'm explaining this to 2 underage kids, but just context. So I'm not just making weird noises for no reason. Ah, delicious. Alright, Doc Dude. Good, good. Keep listening. That's what's important. Listen to me. Alright, Indy's back. Alright, so now that we have this junk done, we gotta do something with it. So what's gonna happen is we got our items coming in hot. Now if they're materialized items. Triggers are cool. We're ignoring that. is item triggered. Wait, what? Oh, looks like I'm already doing this. Did I already make a function for this and I forgot? Okay. Oh, no, that's if it's triggered. Yeah, if it's triggered. Wait, what am I doing if it's triggered? Oh. Interesting. Wait, I don't want to do that. If it's already triggered, I want to show it. I don't want to not show it. Even when you stubbed your toe? Where are you? You walking around? Sit down. You just running around? Oh, are you watching me on your phone? Is that why? That's funny. I gotta think about this. Obviously, I created the logic here so that if it's triggered, the item doesn't show up on the map. But yeah, that's not what I want. I actually want it to show up on the map. I just don't want it to be hidden. So this is wrong. You had your headphones on while putting away the ice cream and getting the transfer. You're very active. Yeah. So this is wrong. Basically, if it's true, I just don't want to hide it. So let's not do this. So if materialize item is triggered, right? Not what I want. Materialize item is triggered. Where do I put display none? Or am I doing that on load in JavaScript? I might be doing that. So here's the trigger. So I definitely want to remove the trigger if it's been triggered. So that's one thing. So if false equals empty that, and false equals is materialize item triggered. Wait, no. What? Stop. No, I want the variable materialize item trigger. Yeah, that's what I want. No. Is... Wait, what the hell did I call it? I have zero memory. Materialize item. Oh shit! Hold on. I think I was just looking at the wrong thing. Oh, I didn't even make this. Got it. Let's is item materialized item triggered. Very descriptive. Okay, there we go. So I need that down here. Wait. And false equals is material. Okay, there we go. Also, it doesn't take you to the Discord link. It takes you to indiebone.com/discord. Oh, nice. And that what? That redirects you? Okay, got it. Well, the redirect. Yeah, maybe just make it a link. You don't really need to. I mean, you could also make that link do that redirect, but maybe the link on your your site should actually just be the link to the Discord, and then do it in a new tab. That way, you know, when it opens up someone's Discord thing, it doesn't take them away from your site. You know, honestly, all external links should always open in a new tab, because you don't want people to get away from your website. You know, you want to keep them there so that they can go back to the tab they were on and go to other places on your website. You know, it's just kind of a technique. Yeah, and it's just target underscore blank. Yeah, self blank. Those are all targets. So that's good. So now we won't have materialized item triggers on the map anymore. Cool. But I guess what I need to do is check if this and this is true. And well, I guess if it's true, yeah. If this is true, then that means it definitely has one. Okay, hold on. Where do I put display none on this or no? Let me check. I might do it in JavaScript. Materialized. Materialized. Wow, I write that a lot. Okay. This is the function. No. Yes. This is how I make it go. Yeah. So that's how I show materialized items when you run over them. But how do I hide them to start? I guess I don't. Okay, so that means that they must start display none server side, which would be in yeah. Where do I do that? Where do I do that? I almost got him. Yeah, because we got the style, type, value. But where, oh where is my display none? Character, hazard, blah blah blah, blee blee blee. You committed to GitHub. Check on the website in about 30 seconds. On it. Do you have a GitHub action that deploys your code for you when you push? Or are you just serving it from GitHub? Doop 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 doo. These are classes. Well, let's go to the top. Am I adding display none somewhere? It doesn't look like I am. How the hell do I hide them? I don't remember my own logic. So, if materialize item, yeah, it doesn't seem like I actually add it here. So I must be doing it in JavaScript. Yeah, because it seems like I just do it here. Okay. Materialized item. Definitely not doing anything there. Huh. Maybe it's materialize item. Oh yeah, it is. Block movement. Maybe this is where I do it. This removes it. Right. This removes it if it's in that list, which is fine, because it is. Yeah, but if it's triggered... You have an SH file that does it all for me, so close enough. Nice. Yeah, you should look into GitHub Actions. It's actually really cool. You know, you just have a little directory on your in your root called GitHub, and then you can put workflows in there, and you can do a lot with GitHub Actions. You can do, you know, build processes. You can do checks, and you can do things based off the labels you put in commit messages and stuff. It's really cool. What am I doing? Oh, your Discord thing. Nice. There we go. I like it. That works. Very cool, very cool. Yeah, I mean, if you want to get like user creation and stuff like that, I mean, it's good to learn things from scratch, but WordPress is really good for user management. Okay, so we got this. That's not what I want. Oh, maybe this is it. Oh yeah, this is it right here. Okay, so I look for all the item triggers, and then I get the item name and I hide it. Okay, got it. So, in turn, if this doesn't exist, that won't be hidden. So this is gonna work right off the bat. I like it, I like it. Okay. So that all got triggered. Is it showing over here? Did I already? Let's see. Are you here? No, nothing's here. Okay. Put out fire. Okay, cool. So let's do this. Okay. I am not logged in. Okay. Oh, let's check the old database. Materialized items are there. Oh, shoot. I need to check the area. I forgot about that. So it's not simply true or false. This is actually, I gotta pass the area you're in. Location. Location. Oh my god, I keep hitting the wrong freaking keys. Okay, well that's good. Oh, and then I need to do it. Location. Great. Okay, now that'll get the right junk. I need to pass location. Current location. Very good, very good. And I think that's it. Do you have to use PHP for WordPress? Yeah. You do. Unless it's headless. But then you still need to use PHP if you're going to work in the WordPress side of it. I mean, you could just install a third-party theme and, you know, just style it, I guess. Then you don't have to use. You can just worry about the front end. But if you want to do some real custom stuff. But I mean, if you look at my PHP files, it's just HTML, you know, with some extra variable stuff. But I mean, if you're just hard coding HTML, it's just HTML, you know. You can use HTML inside the PHP. Yeah, right. Refresh. Still nothing. I wonder if they're gone. They shouldn't be, because put out fire is still there. Let's see what we got on the map. Rocket. So Rocket should be here, and definitely not display none. Wait, that means that the materialized item triggers are still here. Even though this exists. What am I doing wrong? Yeah, because rocket fire extinguisher is right there, so it should not be here. Let's double check this function. Item. Location. Oh, I was doing it right. Location. Yeah, so we shouldn't do like that. We should do, does item name equal materialize item? Let's try that. I think that makes more logical sense. And if it's true, that means it was triggered. Meaning false is not empty. Oh, false. Yeah, equals that, then show that. Yeah. So this should be good. Let's try again. Still showing. Materialize item trigger. For what? Rocket. Is Rocket in here? Cyrus. Yeah, rocket's right there. Alright, looks like we gotta var dump this junk. Because this is not right. Var dump is... Let's see if all these items are triggered. Bop. Tap. Show me your items. Doop, 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 doop. Pop. False, 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 false. Okay, so none of them are coming up triggered. Which is weird, because some of them should be. Well, let's see what we're getting here. Var dump. Materialized items. Let's check. Alright, let's see what we got in the old var dump. String, 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 string. Okay, so it's empty. Well, that'll do it. This is empty. Because I think I'm spelling this wrong. Materialize. Oh yeah, look at that. And it's underscores. What the hell? No, I need to change that. I don't like underscores in my function. Explore material. Yeah, that's wrong. That's wrong. My bad. Also wrong. Wrong. There we go. Let's try that again. You made it so when you shake a window it wiggles? Oh, wait, what? The website? What you talking about? Oh yeah, look, it wiggles. I mean, it did wiggle. I was wiggling it, but... what was I doing? Oh yeah. Okay, so let's go trigger all that junk again. Pop. 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 Trigger, trigger, trigger. Oh, I broke something. Token bool false, not valid, blah blah blah. Alright, obviously I need to take those var dumps out. Yoink. Yoink. Alright, let's try again. What? Why am I up here? It was a very strange starting position. Alright. Let's see, did that work? Yes, it did. Okay, so now we have the correct names. Blah, blah, blah. Rocket, disarm, disarm, blah, 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 blah. Alright. We are good. So now, technically all of these should be showing. I don't know why they didn't. But they are now. Yay! They were triggered. That does kind of bother me. Okay, let's restart and see if they show up client side, because client side shouldn't have broken. That should still work. Should still work. Wait. Wait, if they're not in there, do they not show up now? Because at first they need to show up, even if they're not there. How was I getting them to show up? I trigger it. Switch areas. Huh. Guess I was passing them back and forth. Let's just see what happens. You just realized if you go to prod.sh, you can see your script. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you're gonna have to do some security work. You shouldn't let people like directly go to files and stuff like that. Like in PHP, if you see, I don't know if I have it on here. I don't think I have it on any of these functions, but there are functions. Let me see if I can find one. Absolute. What is it? Path. Oh, here we go. Abs path protected. So yeah, if you try to go directly to these files, it'll like fail. What is it? Abs path. Where are they using it though? Weird. They must be using this across the site. Let me see here. Huh. I guess not. That's weird. Anyways, that's what happens usually. It's not abs path, but it checks if you're trying to hit the file directly, and it'll just like send you a 404 error. Like it'll only work if a computer's trying to access it. Hey Orbem, would you recommend HTML or CSS for a website? Both. You need both in order to have a website. I mean, you can inline all your CSS styling, but it's still CSS. Yeah, you can't do anything without CSS. Can you repeat what you said in the last 20 seconds? Your audio broke. You can add it to the gitnor file to make it so it doesn't pop up. Yeah, I mean, if you don't need the file on your directory, like in your code base, then definitely gitignore it. Gitignore. But before I was just talking about hitting files directly. It should 404. Alright. Let's see what we got. Keep going. So yeah, just so everybody knows, my new school year schedule is a little bit different. Should still be Monday through Friday. I was doing Monday through Saturday before the last school year. But I think now I'm going to keep it Monday through Friday. I like that schedule. But I'm going to be doing it earlier. So 10:30 to 12:30 seems to be about the right time I want to go. You know, just pushing it an hour earlier. Sometimes I might want to go a little, you know, shorter. Maybe to 12, because I definitely need to start sleeping. I got to wake up at, 6:50 in the morning just to get the kids ready for school and stuff. All right. So far, so good. Oh, yeah, I got to do that. 8:30 p.m. Denver? Is that what time it is for you? Are you in Denver? I thought you were in somewhere else. I actually don't remember what I thought you were in. Yeah, so like, I would have started streaming in like 20 minutes, but with my new schedule, I've been streaming for almost an hour. Oh, okay. Then yeah. Denver time is the heart of MDT. I like it. Look at that. Level 2. What's up? Wait. What failed? Did my... Just wondering what happened to my spells, my magic. I guess maybe I just didn't set them up. I might not have. But like when I went to level 2, I thought I had some that were level 2 spells. I don't know, maybe not. That's fine. Yeah, so you're 2 hours behind. So yeah. I'll be starting 8:30 p.m. Denver time. Alright, the save materialized item worked. So these are now ready to be shown. And the triggers shouldn't show up anymore when I switch areas. Now if they don't show up, then I know something's wrong. Which it's looking like something's wrong. Yeah, something's up. I think my logics are conflicting. Wait, there's a console. Aha. What do we got here? So this tried to run again? No. It looks like it worked. Huh. Wait, what? There was an unexpected... Oh, okay. It's probably just because I don't have anything to output. That's fine. Whatever. We can live with that for a second. Alright, so... what should happen is there should be no materialized item triggers. And I'm seeing one already. For Rocket. So that shouldn't be here, technically. If my... oh, no. My logic didn't work. Because... technically... they're not in the database when I switch back yet. I mean, it probably just didn't get there yet. So... if I refresh, they'll be here. But then how was I doing it before? Let's see. Yeah, so this is the logic. It gets all these and then makes them none. But there must have been something I was doing to trigger all of these. I triggered them. Showed them. Came back. And they still should be shown. I mean, I definitely need to... God, what was I doing before? Because it was working before. That's really weird. Huh. Well, let's see what calls this function. First off... wait, what? Where'd it go? Oh. Okay, so I'm doing this twice. I'm doing this here. Okay, yeah. So this is where I wanted to trigger the logic, but the problem is how do I get them to show again? I think it's part of this. Yeah. You just joined the IndiePon server? Hell yeah. Dak dude in IndiePon. Getting in it. Cooperation, collaboration, cooperation. Making connections. Okay, here. So I trigger the items. Am I adding it to a window? Save. So would I clear timeout? Save. Materialize item. Wait, what? How's this working? Oh, it's just so I don't hit it a million times. Yeah, that's right. But it does check them all. I am hitting all of them. Okay. You thought that was you. Okay, so we definitely are doing this. So the only thing... okay. think I was doing that I got rid of was I was resetting the array to nothing. But I don't know why I was doing that. But like this items array, I was resetting to nothing once it worked. And I have no idea why. It doesn't seem like that matters. Okay, whatever. This is working. So what I need to do is save this array. So when you go back from the cutscene, they're showing. Or maybe I'll just flag it. Yeah, I'm not quite sure actually how I'm going to handle this. Like, elegantly handle it. Like, I kind of know what to do. But, like, I'm removing the trigger when I go over there. Oh, whatever, when I trigger the gun. Which is good. And then when I refresh, it'll be there. But the problem is when I'm going to one area and coming back, it's not seeing them yet. That's weird, actually. It should be seeing them. Interesting. Let's actually check that. Because I feel like it should be seeing that. Because I trigger it right when I go over there. The database should be updated. So let's check get HTML or whatever the hell. Get explore points. Get explore. Okay, here we go. So here I'm checking this. Yeah. So this should definitely be full when I go back. I can check that actually. No, I can't. Basically what I'm doing is I'm just not bringing that HTML. So the HTML should not be coming back. Because this should be available. Yeah, because if you look at it here, the network call, this is saving them. So this is good to go. And then I save all these dudes. Cool. Which are working. And then that mission's good. Wait, where's the Thyris call? That's Bylon. Where the hell's this Thyris call? Where's my Thyris call? How'd I get back here? It's not here. Oh, right here. Yeah, so this is well before here. And the response to this should not include the mission triggers. How do I search this data? I guess we gotta do it like this. Trigger. Yeah, but look, it's right here. Materialize some trigger. Rocket. Let's see, that shouldn't be part of it. There must be a delay on the database call. I mean, not on the database call, but the data that's in the database. Interesting. I still don't know how this worked in the first place. Like how I got them to show when you came back. Because I would show them. I'd leave. And then when I came back, how are they showing? I triggered them somehow. See, I think that's the problem with what I'm doing. Is that the item triggers are before I go to Bylon. So, you know, they don't trigger when I come back. That's really the only way to do it, though. I'm having a crisis. Okay. I mean, I really can only see one way of handling this. Is this working properly, which it's not. Let's see, actually, if I can trigger this and see what I'm getting. WP send JSON success. Alright, let's see what that does. Pop, 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 pop. So I'm gonna actually have to restart. Oh, what the hell? That is not what I meant to do. Nice. Definitely not what I meant to do. Yeah, so I'm not gonna be able to do that right away. Alright. Let's wait till I'm going. No, this is never gonna work because this is getting triggered when you load. Shoot. I guess we'll just have to var dump it. Better. Yeah, so they're completely showing, no problem. Let's see what happens when I trigger them the first time. Let's go, let's go. Bop. Unexpected pool. God damn it. Yeah, it really doesn't like var dumps. This whole server-side, client-side interaction stuff is rough. Okay. Yeah, I don't care about any of this. Care about triggering the stuff. And why triggering doesn't result in it saving to the database in time. Okay, so everything's empty. They're not there. Let's do this. Let's check. I got that. Let's check. Save materialized items. What? Oh, these must be old. Okay. Save materialized items. Here we go. So we'll do that. So that got saved. We can check the database. They are there, right there. So completely there. But does the server side? Nice song. Hey, thanks. Appreciate it, Ronnie. Yeah, so one of my old bands. Actually, one of my old bands, Mulholland Fall. Yeah, it was pretty good. I had a lot of fun with that band. I do the singing and screaming. Alright, so that worked. Okay, so this is the thing that did not work. For some damn reason, it's still not seeing the trigger. That's crazy. Even though it's clearly in the database. Okay. So I can't trust a call to work after the call, which is really weird. I wonder if I did it again, if it would actually show. That's probably an indicator whether it's the logic or not. Because there's no reason why the database isn't readable right now. So technically these should not have doubled up. Shoot. Did it double up? It did. Well, that's not good. Yeah, I definitely don't want them double, so I gotta check on that actually. So let's do that. Save materialized items. Let's make sure these do not double up. Yeah, I'm just going through and adding them again to the area. If blah. If false equals value. No. If true equals empty. There we go. Then that. Cool. That should fix the doubling up. Okay, but did I get the items? No. So this is what I'm thinking. It's definitely wrong for the new area. The logic is not being triggered. So I think that's the problem. So where am I doing it? So server side it's working. It's not working on the new area though. You started a course for web development? Hell yeah, Dak dude. It's fantastic. You gotta let me know how that goes. And if I can help you any way, please do not hesitate to ask. Yeah, being a web developer myself for many years, there's a lot of things I wish I knew at first when I first started. Nice. Yeah, feel free to post questions and progress in my Discord channel under web development. Because, yeah, that's really cool. I definitely think learning everything you can is fantastic. But, you know, I've told you a million times in streams and in shorts and stuff like that. Just don't learn anything you don't need to. Courses are good. Get the basics of HTML and CSS. Get that. You need that. Get the basics of JavaScript. You need that. But then start, you know, working on projects. You know what I mean? And then learn the things you need to learn. But if you really want to get into, like, hardcore web development, I mean, eventually you're going to have to learn React and, you know, TypeScript and all those server-side JavaScript languages. Because that's where, you know, a lot of the companies are heading and what they like. Could change, though. I don't know. AWS is probably a really good idea, too. If you want to get into web development, it'd be really good for you to start getting, like, AWS certifications. As that's every time somebody tells me like, oh, I just got my AWS certificate for blah, 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 it's never a waste of time. Having the tools, you know, understanding AWS console and the way S3 buckets work and DynamoDB and just working with AWS products, huge. Of course, Jason teaches you HTML. There you go. Yeah, told you right there. Those three things are super important. In fact, you could go really far just knowing those three things. So that's really awesome to hear. Your dad's getting an AWS certificate for free? Hell yeah. Yeah. Most jobs do, because I mean, it's really great knowledge to have. Having that understanding of the back-end infrastructure is just crucial. And I never did it. I could, and I know people have told me, just based off of my current knowledge of AWS, I could probably get a couple of the certificates, but you know my stance on doing things without getting paid to do it. Even if they're paying for me to take the course, like, I still have to do it on my off time. Which is annoying. Like, I'm not on the clock or something like that. Well, I'm getting paid to do it. Still extra time. But yeah, no, it's super awesome. I mean, that and fucking Google Cloud Management, like Google courses would be great too. Very important. Anything cloud-based management. You know, I know how to work in DynamoDB. I know how to work with S3 buckets. I know how to work with Lambdas, and you know, that's as much as I really need to know. You're learning it on Solo Learn because ChatGPT recommended it. Nice. That's cool. Never heard of that. Alright, so this is Uber pissing me off. I'm almost thinking I need to check, like do a call to check the database. Oh, I can just set a variable server side. Let's do that. Why are we wasting valuable time here? Let's just fucking see. Think harder. That's what I always tell myself. Think harder. Check this out. Bop. Stop. Explore. Let's do that. So I'm going to go over to my register function. Oh, right here. So I'm doing explore points right here. I'm also going to do const materialized items triggered materialized items equals same thing. I don't need to double that up, so let's just do this real quick. User ID. Pretty sure in QAsset actually already provides some stuff like that, but whatever. Get current user ID. User ID. Just one less call. You like, oh, it's like Duolingo for programming. Oh, that's cool. That's like gamification. You're about to work on the About Me page. Yeah. Do it, my friend. I don't know why I'm doing it like that. Oh, because I want to do an empty array. Okay, so then let's do... Yeah, if it's empty, I don't want anything. So I'll just do... Yeah, I'll just leave it an empty array. Okay, what did I just do? Oh, this right here. So we'll do WP JSON encode, same way. Encode, yes, correct. Nailed it, IDE. Okay, so now I have this variable available to me. Shit. No, this won't help me. This won't help me because it's a server-side variable I'm setting. And I don't care about that. I only care about it when I'm going from area to area that it exists. Shit. What? Did I just make balloons? Whoops. Damn. Okay, come on. Figure this out. This was dumb. I just wasted a whole bunch of time on that. Alright, forget that. I thought I had something. Completely lost it. Something's wrong. The fact that it can't get that when I'm changing, but it gets it when I'm server-side loading is wrong. And the fact that no matter how many times I do it, it still can't get it is wrong. Because I'm making server-side changes and grabbing them. Maybe I'm not. Yeah, what the hell am I doing? New area. Like, it's almost like I need to do a REST API call just to get these up. What's up, man? Hit me with a summary of what you're working on. Oh, summary. Sorry, there's a little heart over the end of the damn messages on this, on the YouTube chat. It's really annoying, actually. Yeah, summary. That's the summary. So I got, off stream, I fixed the whole issue where I could send multiple items, like your suggestion, Game Doodle, multiple items, and save them at the same time. Using fetch and a post call, I'm able to do that really easily. So that's cool. Got them. Only problem is now, for some goddamn reason, when I go from the automatic cutscene back to Thyrus, it's not reading the items that I added to the database and, you know, making them visible when I go back. So it's treating them as if they were never added to that list at all. And in fact, I don't even know how the hell I was getting them to show up in the first place. I don't know. Because not like I was saving. So, yeah, mixed advance, but not back. Yeah. And it's weird because if I keep going back to the cutscene, it still isn't reading it as if it's in the database. So it's persisted, but it's not reading the data. Which makes... But if I refresh the page, it shows. Like server-side wise. So which is really weird. Because that means it's working. But it's not working if it hasn't happened server-side already. Which is really weird. Doesn't make sense because everything else is persisted fine. Like, can you load the data from the database? I mean, maybe. Yeah, if I did like a fetch call. Well, no, I'd have to set up a function to do that. To like check. Well, that's what I was thinking. Like maybe I add another REST API endpoint that just pulls this data. But if it can't pull it during the call, then I don't see how it would pull it separately. So let's see real quick. So get explore points, get explore. Okay, map item HTML. Because then we would know the database is loading correctly, and then yeah, you can't from the console to array variable. Yeah, and I was like, okay, cool, I'll just set it as a variable. But then I'm like, that's server side, so it'll never get Like, it works server side fine. Like, if I refresh, they all show up as if they were triggered. But yeah, so like, what I'm doing is this. So I'm doing this function, and I'm checking this user meta, and this is happening, you know, client side. It's doing a call. It's calling this function, but for some reason this isn't coming back empty. It seems like. And it's really hard for me to check because this is also happening server side. This function's getting called, so every time I try to like var dump it, it breaks everything. But yeah, if I check the response HTML, it's including the stuff that I don't want it to. No. No. Yeah, I thought for a second maybe the location's wrong, but maybe the location's wrong. That would screw it up. Yeah, it loads correctly when I refresh. Maybe current location's wrong. What is current location? No, because that's what I use for getting missions and shit too. So it shouldn't be wrong. That would... Yeah, here. Get Orbem area, yeah. Position... Position. Yeah, no, see, because I'm sending the right position. Otherwise I wouldn't be getting all the other shit. So I don't think it's that, unfortunately. That would screw it up, but I don't think it's the reason. Unless for some reason current location's being changed as it gets down here. No. It's the same shit. Area points. Yeah, let's get to all the items. God damn it. Yeah, this is not working. We got the post name. It's working fine. What could be going awry? So the other scenario is, so both of these have to be true. So if it's triggered, then it'll be false. If this is not empty, it'll be false. Okay, so this is gonna be true because it's a materialized item trigger. But this should not be true, even though it is. Yeah, so it's just this function that's wrong. I don't know if it's because of this. Let me see, am I using user ID? Maybe it's the user ID's wrong. Because, oh shit, that might be it. That might be it. It might be the user ID. It might not be getting the right one. Or like it's empty. Hold up. That is actually possible, which would be a genius find. Because server-side it works, but I know when you do it via an API call, It can't get the user ID. The current user ID. Okay. This might be it. I'm gonna try it again. Oh no, if I refresh. Okay, I gotta reset. Oh, I think I got one. Fucking gnats. Mortal enemy. The gnat. And yeah, Game Doodle, if you're wondering, I've been streaming for over an hour. My new schedule is 10:30 to 12:30. Maybe 10:30 to 12, depending on how much sleep I want to try to get. Because I got to start waking up early, take the kids to school and stuff, starting this week. So, I'm sure you get the notifications and stuff, but yeah. I am now streaming earlier. Yeah. So if you've always wondered, like, man, could he stream a little earlier so I could see him sooner? Now's your chance. We could all get sleep together. Kind of sounds like I said we could all sleep together, but I mean, whatever. I can leave my stream on if you want to watch me sleep. Alright. Once I get 1 million subscribers, we'll do sleep reveal, and you guys can watch me sleep. 1 million. We can do it. Let's get there. Okay. Well, I don't need to do all this shit, but I need to see if this works. I have like a good feeling that this is gonna... Wait, what? What happened? What happened? Wait a second. Why are you guys already here? It'll be 15 when that happens. Yeah. You might be. You're not lying, Indy. You might be. Wait, what? Oh shit, I didn't reset these, did I? Man, I forgot to add that to my reset list. Wasting my time. Reset. I really should make this more dynamic. It's very annoying to have to do this every time. Alright, let's try again. I mean, I could just delete this right now, I guess. Let's delete you. And just for cleanup, let's delete you. Alright. Much better. Promises, man. Don't make me... Nah, man. I'm doing it. I would be so happy. Just K, I would be dead. Good use of tilde. And yeah, I don't doubt that. You might be dead. I did the math, okay? You know, at my rate of subscriber, you know, it would definitely take me about 300 years to get to 1 million. So you're not wrong. You'd probably be dead by the time that happens. Alright, let's see if it works now. We got him. Oh, it worked. Oh my god, I'm so happy that worked. That's awesome. That's a firework moment. Fantastic. Excuse me. You put your laptop battery over my electric charger and it acknowledged it. Ooh, what? Wait, what? Your laptop battery? Like you put your whole laptop and it's charging your laptop? Wireless charging it? That's weird. Awesome, we did it, we did it. Now we have, check this out. Server side and client side working together. Oh. Oh, ooh, that's weird. It'd be cool if it charged it while I was on the charger. Then you can just have it constantly charging without any wires. That'd be sick. All right. This is big. This is big, guys. Look, fire's gone. Fire's gone. Let's refresh. See if it stays gone. Stays gone. Very nice. Let's do the time run. And go. Fast as you can. Fast as you can. Fast as you can. Let's go. Let's go. Hurry, hurry, hurry. We can do it. We can do it. Oh god, I got stuck. That could be the difference between it working and not working. Yes! We did it. We disarmed the rocket. Now let's move it. You're getting out of here, rocket. Let go. Coming with me, boy. Putting you in the trash. Alright. Woo! And if we refresh, everything should stay gone. Huh. Well. Almost. I wonder why these didn't go away. Almost. Is that mission got screwed up? Oh, look, mission trigger. What happened? Show me. Oh no. Wait, what the hell? Add export points. Mission trigger. Space. Set up your lab mission trigger. Uh-oh. I wonder what happened. Yeah, that's not... I must have screwed something up. Mission trigger, space. It's like the position I'm sending on mission save is wrong. I know I did some work in the save mission. Let's see, what did I do in save mission? That's probably why those didn't get saved either. What did I do? I did something here. Clearing timeout. Run point. Oh yeah, I did do the thing where like I didn't want to send missions to run point animation. So I made it so that didn't happen. How did I do that though? So I'm passing it to save mission. What did I do? Wait, let's check down here. Add point information, mission name, position. Two different things. Position. Remove item from storage. Huh. Okay. Oh wait. So I'm setting it up here. Else add user points. Oh yeah, I did this. The mission name does not equal position. And that one didn't screw that up though. It blinks blue indicating that it's detecting it but cannot send signal. Oh, okay. I get it. So why is position coming in all weird? Is that just like a random edge case? Because I didn't complete that other mission in order? Mission trigger. Space. Set up your lab mission trigger. So that's definitely a mission name. And that's something else. I mean, that's why it got through. But what sent that? Definitely this. My wife's dying. I make them go away. The missions go away. Oh, you mean the items? They go away because they get added to that explore points list, and if they're in that, they don't show up again. But I add them to that list by mission complete, and I send the position that completed the mission. Oh, here we go. We got a special guest. All right. We got the little dog on stream. He's a little dog. Neep, neep, neep.
I feel better.
This is Stout. He is a Maltese Chihuahua. And he has something to say. He just licks whatever's around him. Boop, 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 doop. Doggy, 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 doggy. Yeah, he's just little. It's about 8 pounds, almost 9 pounds. 14 years old. And, still kicking. Oh god, we got another one. Oh god. Yeah. This is Sullivan. He likes toys. This is the black lab. Oh, Mike's covering his face. He's a good boy. Jesus. Just got attacked by the dogs. So many dogs. Yeah, it's 2 of the 3 that are left. Whew. Now I'm all distracted what I was doing. Why the hell do I sell so many console logs? So yeah, I'm running this. I'm running position to run point animation. And I'm passing it straight off to add user points. So I know nothing's screwing up there. It looks like it's coming from save mission. And position's coming here. And position's going straight into here. So where's that coming from? So obviously I'm passing the wrong shit. So in that case, that one is a mission trigger. So it's this, and I'm passing the position. So where the nut is the position coming from? Let's make sure. It's coming from here. Clean class name. Obviously I added another class. That's probably what the issue is. So it looks like mission trigger space needs to be removed. Don't know why that would still be here, but something must have got screwed up. Mission trigger. Weird. I wonder how long that's been broken. It must have been for a while. I don't think that's why the timer thing wouldn't work though. I think I need to see when the timer thing broke. Because so far I think it worked. Rocket. Disarm button. Disarm. Wait, what? It did disarm button 2 twice. Wah. Explore points. Oh shoot. Maybe I did it wrong. Actually, materialized item should be underscore. Everything else is underscore. Damn it. I screwed up. I'm gonna have to change that again. God damn it. Realized items. Right here. Damn it. I want to stay organized. Alright. Okay, good. Yeah, so everything's gonna be broken now, but I need to see if mission trigger worked. Oh yeah. Why did it only do the one twice? Is that inside the points? Yeah, look, it only has number 2. Interesting. Interessante. That's weird. Again, this is the time when I'm like, how did it ever work? Because technically it doesn't seem like it could have ever worked. Yeah, so... No, not mission trigger. Where's the timer? Here's the timer logic. That's when they're going. We go. Start timer logic. Start timer. Save the mission. So when the mission gets saved, I'm only passing one position. Weird. How did that ever work? Maybe it never worked server side. Actually, it probably never worked server side. I'm thinking about it now. I don't think it ever did. I should be able to pass multiple positions at the same time though. So how do I get the other one? Because position is the one that I'm touching when I trigger it. But I need to know the other one too. And I have that here. It's triggy or has trigger. Yeah, trigger has trigger. Yeah, triggy has a timer, or does value have the timer? Depending on which one I touch. Shoot. So that means I'm gonna have to pass persist on the other one. Which is fine. I just need to know which one to do that. Because it can't be the one that's position. Shit. Set timeout, remove. Yeah, so this is all that. So it's gonna have to be here. Persist item removal. And I gotta pass. Where am I setting it? The name. It's got to be the other one. Oh no. So wait. Wait, what's this? Is strong save mission. Okay, that's different. Yeah, triggy. So the triggy name, this is one of them. And then the triggy is the other one. Right? Right. Has trigger is... Oh, man, this is confusing. Yeah, so we got triggy or not undefined has trigger. Then we do this. And the save mission comes right here. Basically, if I get there in time and start timer still exists. Shit. So what's the other one? Position is the one I'm touching at the end. I almost just want to add both. Right? Because I'm able to do that now. Right? Item can just be a JSON array. Wait, no. Wait, what? Wait, how am I... Which one did I fix? Oh, materialize item. That's what I fixed. Stupid. I might need to change this so I can send multiple. Or I just do what I did before. Yeah. This one? No, that's hazard removal. God damn it. Where did I... Timer. Give me back. Yeah, here. Wait, no. Not here. Yeah, here. So I need to do... Start timer item? Which is the item that has the timer. Right. So this is actually what I need to do. Clean class name, start timer item. There we go. Yeah, because the one that has start timer is always the opposite of the one that I finish with. Okay. This is it. Alright, so both of them should be added now. Yeah, which is weird that number 2 is still showing. They might both be 1 now, though. I don't remember. Alright, let's refresh. So they don't show because materialized item works, but now let's... Actually, they're not showing... Let's just restart. Because I really think this is the final now. I think once I get these buttons to go away, that's it for the tutorial level. As far as the crew is considered. Now I didn't give anybody combat abilities yet. So I'm going to have to create all that. They all can hit right now. And I should give them all different weapons depending who you choose. I have a bad feeling too. You're not alone. We shall see. Boop. Beep, boop, 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 boop. Alright, come on, buddy. Boop. Alright. It should work. I'm still not gonna do it in order. I'm still gonna go straight for it. So this is good. Nothing's here. Just a nice outline of a rocket. And let's jump on over, speed up the process. So when I go over there, everything should be there properly. But then, and then when I do all of them, I'll just get up to the disarm rocket. We'll get that working, and then we'll see if it persists. Oh, it already failed. What the fuck? Well, I broke something. Problem with JSON. What was the problem, my friend? We already fixed our problems. This worked. What was my fix again? It was a user ID. That was the fix. The get user ID. What the fuck? Why did it not work? All of a sudden. I just got it working. Doesn't make any sense. Wait, did it only work before because I went a second time? Uh-oh. I don't remember if I tested it first try or if I did it again. Shoot. Let's go back to user meta. Oh, that's why it didn't work. Because I changed the name, but obviously I broke something. Materialized item. Okay. Explore materialized items. Explore materialized items. Uh-huh. User ID. Okay. Why did you not work? I did do this. Oh, it's because... I mean, that is empty. So then this should work. So what's the problem? Pop. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah. Current is empty. That's empty. Add. Yeah. Did it send weird? Payload. Oh shit. Payload was empty. What? Hold please. Why were you empty, payload? Oh, I must have screwed something up. Save materialized item. What did I screw up? Materialized item array. Set timeout. Why were you empty, my friend? Wait, were they never there in the first place? Hold up. Well, then why would they get triggered if they were never there? That don't make no sense. So, what did I change? What did I break? Clear timeout. Okay, materialized item trigger. Sure. Map item. Timeout. Save. The array. And I keep setting the array. Wait, what? Where am I adding to this array? I'm not. Why is this not being added to? What? When did I change this? What are you talking about? What the hell? When did I break this? Why did I remove the push function for this? What, the nut? Area. That. Materials item without push. Wait. Yeah. Item name, right? Did I screw that up? I don't remember changing that. I guess I did. Let's try again. Nope. That didn't work either. Oh, no, that did work. Weird. I don't remember removing that push. I guess I did. Yeah, and it's failing just because I don't have a response to that REST API call. There we go. That's better. Okay, so let's complete this. Okay. That's good. Let's make sure shit's still saving. Did rocket fire extinguisher work? It did. Rocket fire's gone as well. Awesome. Now, let's see if we can get this to persist. And go. I might have not triggered it. Whoa, what the hell? Oh, those are all dead images. Go, 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 go. Speed demon. Only she can do this task. Wow. Wow. In the future, even Graham could do this task. Damn it. I wasn't quick. I actually don't think I triggered the first one now that I think about it. Yeah, these were all just dead images. Wish I could filter those out. I really need an indicator for the timer too. Because I never know. See, start timer still there. I need to like wait for it to go away before I restart, or I won't have enough time. We got this. I'll go. I haven't gone back this way before, but we got this. Go. Yeah. Will he make it in time? I think we can do this. I could probably cut through just using diagonal, but I don't want to slow myself down. Oh wait, what the hell? Did the start timer already go away? Why was it so quick? Wait, what? Why did it go so quick? Interesting. Do I need to set a timer on both? I guess I didn't think about that. I thought I would use the same timer for both. That's weird. Well, whatever. We'll have to figure that out now. Because that's annoying. Go, 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 go. Yeah, it definitely wasn't 30 seconds. It went much quicker. Alright. Okay, did that work? Disarm. Rocket button 2. Disarm the rocket mission. Wait, what? The persist item removal didn't get triggered, it looks like. Shoot. Because why? Oh. Clean class name didn't work. Ah, shit. Because I'm stupid. God damn it. Come on, dude. Just making life hard on myself. That was dumb. Still smiles, man. Yeah, no, there's nobody else in the room. Let's see. Let me do this. I want to add a timer for both. Time length. What I'm thinking is, it doesn't need the trigger, but I think it needs the time, is my guess. Or maybe they need to trigger each other. Maybe. We'll see. Maybe. That might screw it up. Let me try. Right, is it? I'm out of here after this. Come on, baby. Let's speed run this one though, because I don't have the patience. Oh, he's so much slower than Iona. Come on. You almost done with the change on the website? Awesome, man. I want to see him. Peace, peace. I should really make her disappear when I talk to her or something. Almost done, almost done. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my god. My recharge got stuck in this little zone. Oh, now it's gone. Boom, beep, boom, boom, beep, boom, boom, boom. Alright, let's double. Oh, shit. Excuse me. We got materialized items. Good. We've got explore points. Not yet. Alright, this worked. What the fuck? And let's do this. Okay, now let's do the timer. Here we go. And go. Time. I don't have the time. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. We can do it, we can do it, we can do it. Yeah. Yeah. And son of a bitch. I can't believe I didn't get there in time. Make sure, yep. Man, I'm just gonna diagonal it this time. It does appear that the timer... Maybe I screwed it up by adding the timer. Without the trigger. Maybe. Yeah, I think I screwed it up. Let's see. Let's see if adding the trigger to this one fixes it or screws it up even more. Derp, 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 derp. I'm phasing through walls. Phasing through walls. Oh, well, I'm doing that. Okay. So that actually did work this time. Okay. Well, did they both get triggered? Explore points. Let's see what we got. Oh, disarm rocket button 2. Disarm rocket button 1. They both got added. confetti, fireworks, and balloons. We did it. And the piece de resistance fails. God damn it. Why are you guys still here? That makes no sense. Wait, what? You guys should not be here. Disarm rocket button 2. Disarm rocket button 1. Why are you back? What the hell are you doing here? Do they just get the no point class? Oh, shoot. Maybe I didn't remove them. What are they? They're timers. I think that's a problem. Maybe I need to check that they have timers. Yeah, that's probably why. Hold on. Add no point. Yeah, that's probably why. I need to do I need to do map item dot data set dot timer. What is it? Start timer? Data timer. It's just timer. So map item, what was it, null? Not equal? Maybe? I should probably check what that is. I don't think it's null. It might be undefined. What did I do here? Oh, I screwed this up. Alright, that worked. But I kind of feel like null wasn't the right thing. I wonder if undefined works. Yeah, let me check it out. Yes, the undefined doesn't work. I mean, works as well. Which makes me think it's something... Let's just do both. Wait, if it doesn't, and null does not equal map item. Maybe this is good logic. Yeah, alright, that works. Let's check out Indepon's site before he explodes. Oh, there we go. Hey, that looks good. Hell yeah. What one thing would you bring on Desert Island? No one says boat. Good question. And we'll save that for next time on the Scott V. Adrian Orbem Explore video game WordPress engine building show. Hey everybody, thanks so much. Sorry if you're used to me jumping on for hours and hours and hours and staying on before, you know, after 1:30, but I appreciate your time here, my friends. Have a great night. Get some sleep. Do your learning and schools and all that kind of stuff. Game doodle. I'll catch you tomorrow. Yeah. Well, now that you know, you can be earlier. I'm going to change my schedule on Twitch too, so people know, but all right. Thanks everybody. Good night.